Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Talk and Do Physics. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into calculation from WASSCE 2021, question number 8A1. Please pay attention, use hand-on activities, write down and solve problems together so that we can get to the right answer. Let's dive into the question. A box packed with a books has a total mass of 50 kg, underline 50 kg. A student move with a box by pulling the rope with a force of 200 newtons at 30 to the horizontal. Calculate the acceleration. First and foremost, we are going to demonstrate by illustrating the diagram. Let's do it like this. This is the box and this is the books inside. Books inside in the horizontal plane. This is the mass and it's taking what? The angle of 30 degrees. Then we have here, this is the reaction, and we have, this is, as it's pulled, this is where mass is 10, and G is what? Sorry, mass is 50, G is 10 meter per second. This is A, is what you are asked to calculate. So by doing this, let us bring out the formula step 1. Please pay attention, remember to share and subscribe, as this will interest me to do more interesting video. This is step 1. Using the formula we are using is what? mg equals to r plus f sine theta. This is where m is the mass, as we have known. M is 50. And what again? Force is what? Force is 200. Sine theta is what? 30. 30 sine theta is the same thing as sine 30 is the same thing as a half, or 0.2. So we now have there, we substitute this value into this. M is 50 times what? 10 equals to R. R is what we are calculating. That is the reaction, the normal reaction between the floor and the box. Then plus F is what? 200 is given. Times sine 30 is a half. So we are going to multiply, 2 cancel itself here, into here 1. So we now have 50 times 10 give us what? 500 equals to R plus 100. So we now want to find R, the subject formula, by cross multiplying this inequality sign, and when it crosses over it becomes negative. So this becomes 500 minus 100 equals to R, which R is what? R equals to 400. So that is R, 400 newtons. So step 2, we are going to use F equals to the coefficients of the floor and the horizontal direction is R, so which is F equals to 0.25 times what? 400, where we have as the reactions. So we have F equals to what? 100. That is the force of reaction. So in step 3, we are going to use MA equals to what? Cos what? MA equals to 200, which is the force, cos theta minus FR. FR is the reaction. So this becomes MA, which we have as what? 50 times A equals to 200. Cos 30 is something as what? Cos 30 is something as 0.866 minus what? Minus 100, which is the FR here. Minus 100. We now have what? 50A equals to 0.200 times 0.866 minus 100. So when we have this 200 times 0.866 minus 100, we have the 173.21 minus 100. That is 200 times 0.866 is what? 173.21 minus 100. So we now have 50A equals to this. So 173.21 minus 100. This gives us what? 73.21. So 50A equals to 73.21. So we need to divide both sides by 50 in order to get the value of A. Over A equals to what? 73 73.21 divided by 50 is the same thing as what? A equals to 1.46 meter per second square. So now we are now understood that in order for a box to accelerate using 50 kg of mass and pulled by a force through a rope of 200, that the box accelerates 1.46 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. So please, for us to further doing question, please, I beg you, remember to subscribe and share and click at the button below, and this will interest me to do more video. Thank you.